Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best Wi-Fi video doorbells 2024, so let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. Number 5. Jeatone 1080p Peephole Doorbell Camera. The Jeatone Smart Wi-Fi Peephole Doorbell Camera features a 1080p resolution and 24-hour per motion detection. Equipped with a 4.3-inch LCD screen, it's ideal for monitoring your home's entry with real-time video access. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. Number 4. Tuya 1080p Smart Video Doorphone, a wireless 1080p video doorphone system with Tuya smart integration and infrared night vision. It offers motion detection, ensuring comprehensive home protection with 24/7 surveillance and real-time notifications. Number 3. Ten 1080p 5-in-1 Fingerprint Doorbell. This 5-in-1 Wi-Fi video doorbell system includes a fingerprint unlock feature, a 1080p camera, Tuya smart app control, and a touch monitor. Designed for enhanced home security with video intercom. Please consider to subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon to get more videos. Number 2. Reolink 2K Wi-Fi Video Doorbell. The Reolink 2K Video Doorbell delivers crisp video quality with both Wi-Fi and PoE connectivity. It features human detection, Alexa support, and a wired chime for added convenience. Perfect for outdoor security. Number 1. Wi-Fi Video Intercom Doorphone. This 1080p Wi-Fi video intercom system offers seamless home security with a 7-inch screen, Tuya smart app control, and RFID access. Ideal for villas and apartments, it provides clear video, real-time communication. Thanks for watching.